Hello traders, good morning all. Hope you're doing good. So the risk disclaimer here. All information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed does not represent a guarantee. So let's see what happened with Nifty and Bank Nifty yesterday and what is likely to happen today. So market opened here, okay, this 10,015 VPOC zone. As mentioned yesterday, I was expecting a profit booking here, so I initiated a small short to take advantage of this, okay. So I covered here, and later market started keep drifting lower, okay. So there was no chance of long anywhere here. If you are a conservative trader, you would have shorted below this. If you couldn't short anywhere here, you could have shorted below this 9,800 mark for 9740 and this 9,700, which exactly done, okay. So that was a easy trade. On Bank Nifty, the same case. Once it breached 20,000, it went 19,800 and 19,700, okay. Again, it couldn't push anywhere about 20,800 for being bullish, okay. So that's what happened yesterday. It was a easy short indeed. And today again, till we don't cross this yesterday's high, okay, I want to play a bearish stance, okay, looking for 9.8. I mean, the bigger picture looks like 9,666, which I tweeted yesterday. So that setup will get failed only if we completely auction above this 10,040 or 50 mark comfortably, okay. Till that, the 9,666 zone, this HVN of 12th zone, okay, this is the zone I'm looking for. But bulls had responded very well at lows yesterday. They had come very well responded very well yesterday. If you see a hourly chart of Nifty, that was a lovely pin bar. See here. So that says this is a strong demand zone, okay. So anywhere closer to this 9,700 or 9,650, in case if price rejects, I will be looking for a low risk long, okay, going forward. Till this high doesn't breaches, okay, yesterday's high doesn't breaches 10,050, okay, doesn't breaches comfortably, bears will come back again and again, okay. So they will push it lower, okay, and we need to see how bulls respond here. So for the day, if market opens above 9970 mark, okay, and breaks 10,050, okay, comfortably, and goes and hit 10,075 on the pullback, I will be buying, looking for 10,100 and 10,130 as a target. If market opens here, breaks 9960 mark, okay, I'll be looking to short, looking for 9880 or 9,900 as target, okay. That could be my second trade idea. In case if market opens flat here, I will allow the price either to come here to check for buyers or come here to look for sellers. Anywhere here I will be a spectator. Either I will allow the price to hit 9970 mark or 9780 mark to see whose strength. If buyers come here, I will attempt a small low risk long, okay, looking for 9820 and 9880, okay. In case if price goes here rejects, I will be looking for a low risk short. My target should be 9920 and 9880, okay. So now the range, we need to breach 9650 on lower side, and on higher side we need to break 10,060 or 100 mark for a strong bullish, okay. Till that it is going to be in this broader range. For Bank Nifty, still it remains the same until unless we don't break this 2800 mark, it is nowhere bullish, okay. We need to watch how price reacts around this 2550. Anywhere if it opens about 2600, okay, I will be just buying it, looking for 20,800 as a target. In case if it breaks this 20, if it is a gap up and if it breaks 2550 or 500 mark, I will be shorting, looking for 2250 and 2200. And if we open in between, okay, I will be looking for how price reacts around 19,950 or 19,800 mark. Again same here, I mean like bulls had responded to the lower price and they had pushed it higher. So the range for Bank Nifty comes 19,300 on lower side and 20,000, or even you can keep it as 20,900 for that case. So any close above that or below this, next set of bigger auction will happen. Till that it will stay in this range, okay. On stock front, I am looking for two stocks today. One is Infi, okay. Yesterday even I shorted here, I covered here. In case if 700 breaks with momentum, okay, I will be shorting this, looking for 690 and 684 as target, okay. And second idea would be Axis Bank. If we open flat, if it keeps scaling lower, okay, I will be shorting, looking for 370 and 360 as target, okay. Until unless it don't cross this mark, 388 mark, I will be looking to short, okay. So that is the two trade ideas. On OI front, if you see 10,000 still holds the highest call open interest and 9,500 on highest put open interest. So both gang looks like confused because of the volatility, okay. If you see 9,300 call shedded huge, 9,800 call gave back, I mean the open interest shaded big, okay. So both, I mean like that resembles just volatility is going to stay here. So you need to be very careful with your trades. You need to be nimble with your trades. You need to know which trade you're gonna take, which trade to avoid, whether you are going to trade today or not. So you need to be very alert with that, okay. Okay guys, anyway, sorry for making this video late. I took some medicine, so it was like more of a sedative. So I will try to make videos if possible on evenings from here on, okay, so that people can watch and have more time to learn from these videos, okay. So that's it for today. So everyone have a great trading day. As always, respect your risk. If there is a trade, else just be a spectator. Protect your capital. That should be your number one goal. Take care all. Catch you on next episode. Bye.